Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make tortillas de harina, or at least the way my mom would make them, except the only difference is my mom does not use a recipe. She's been doing it for so long that she kind of just like wings it and it comes out perfect. Like at my mom's house, it's a thing that you'll go to my mom's house and there's always tortillas de harina fresh. We like going over there to have breakfast just because, like, you know, like tacos and stuff. Grecia likes them a lot too. She really likes to eat tacos, and I know tortillas de harina is not the best thing ever, but every now and then it's all right. So I used to make them a lot for my mom when I was younger. Like when I lived at my mom's house, I would help her make the masa, and it's been so long since I like tried to make them. And usually what we would do is like we would just eyeball everything. That's what my mom does. Like my mom doesn't measure anything. She just pours the harina, pours the manteca, the hot water, the salt and stuff. But since I'm only making a little bit because I don't want to make a whole bunch, she was like, I found a recipe that some old lady gave her a really long time ago. So she was like, go off of the recipe, and like that, like if you're gonna do a video on it or whatever, you'll have the exact measurements. Because if I were to do it the way my mom does it, I wouldn't be able to tell you how much of what goes in it. Does that make sense? So the recipe that she gave me calls for 6 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 9 tablespoons of shortening, and about 2 to 3 cups of hot water. So I'm boiling my water as we speak, and what you're supposed to do is mix the dry ingredients, add the shortening until the mixture is coarse. So what that means is, like, once you go like this to the harina and it stays like in a little bolita, that means it's done. It's ready for you to start adding your hot water a little bit at a time. You're not supposed to like pour in all of the hot water at once because you might put too much of it. And you let it sit for 30 minutes, and then you make your testales, which are the little bolitas, and then you just put them in a bag or like in a bowl that has a lid, and you put them in the refrigerator. So I have exactly 6 cups of flour in here. So I'm getting itchy because I'm so nervous. And I'll leave the recipe down in the description box. And then you got your carne seca for, you know, machacado in the morning. So here we go. Let's play a song. Yours is going to look like this. I thought my mom's didn't, but she says they all turn out like this, like bumpy. So what you're supposed to do is wrap it in plastic, like a plastic bag. Let it sit for about half an hour to 45 minutes. And then you're supposed to knead it again. And then all these little bumps are going to disappear and it's going to become super smooth. And then that's when you can start making your testales. So this is what mine looks like so far. I'll show you guys once the 30 minutes or whatever has gone by, and then I'll knead it again, and then I'll show you guys the testales and stuff. You are just grouchy. No, you can't play with that. I know it's tortillas, but they're not done. I'm not gonna give you some. It's not done. No. Okay, so I kneaded it twice, and you guys can still see here that it looks like crusty, and up here it's starting to smooth. So I'm gonna keep doing it so that I can show you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay guys, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Super smooth, very nice. And now I'm gonna get started on the testales. So my mom has always just like pinched off some from the edge. I think that's how she does it, like this, and then like she rolls it. Ugh, I don't know, I've never done these before. She rolls it like this. I'll become a pro at this. I know I will. And then she kind of does this motion, like cupping it in a little ball. Something like that. So I'm going to, I guess, just make a bunch of testales, see how many I get. Tortita molida. Con butter. No, déjala. No, that one. You making tortillas?
Gucci.
Good job, Mommy.
Let me buy it.
You want to bite it? Yeah. Tell Nina she'll give you a bite of hers real quick.
Let me buy it.
Please.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that body wash? I don't think so. Give Mama a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. As you guys can tell, I have a towel over my head. But I wanted to let you guys know that the tortillas were bomb. Like, they were so freaking good. I even took one to my mom and she really liked it. She said they were almost like hers. And she also said that I've always had a good hand with making them, because like I said earlier, I would make them for her when I was younger. The only thing that I wouldn't do was the testales. She would always do those for me because I never knew how. But I guess all you have to do is practice like I did today, and you will get them. Did you like the tortillas?
Yeah.
How many did you eat?
5.
You ate one tortilla? Yeah. She had one tortilla. We all had some, like a little late night snack. Let me know if you guys try out this recipe and if it works for you guys. If you guys even eat tortillas de harina, or if you buy them or if you make them. I think that's gonna be something that I'm gonna start doing from now on, because I told Bert about them and he was like, well, now you're gonna have to start making them all the time, because he doesn't eat them because I don't make them. So now that I do, and it came out perfect, I'm probably gonna have to start adding that into our like foods, even though they're not so healthy, but one every now and then won't hurt. So I mean, we're Hispanic, so it'll be all right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video, and let me know if you guys want me to cook anything else or try anything else out. Say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
And hit the like button.
Like button.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.